Alright folks, another complete fail. Well, not another, but it is a complete fail today. The oak tree has stopped up the septic system, folks. It has, the roots have got into the field line and have literally stopped up the whole system because, well, nothing can really get too far outside of the tank. And so here's the back of the tank. Here's the front of the tank. What I did was I got here, had the people run the water, come out here, found the crack. We call it the crack. It's where the lids, you got 3 or 4 lids on a septic tank, and it's where the lids meet. And so knew there was a crack there, dug down, found the crack, sure enough, water coming up. So I know the problem's not here at the front of the tank. I know it's at the back. So I come back here and dig up, and well, you can see, folks. Yeah, double trouble. Now, nothing was coming out of the tank, and I kept digging and busting up roots and stuff started coming out of the tank, but there is no bell pipe. There is no pipe going from the tank to the field line, which the field line starts somewhere right in here. It is completely gone. Completely gone. And I tried to do this by hand, but it's just too hard. We'll have to get the excavator in here. But this ditch here is 4 feet deep. This one's about 3.5. And yeah, it's not working out by hand, folks. Too much dirt to move with a shovel. And so I'm gonna just cover up and leave. That's all I can do today. Cover up and leave, come back with the excavator and do a repair. We'll see, folks. Phew, it's going to be a doozy. I am hoping. Now, I probe out there and I hit dry line, which tells me that something's clogged up here. Yep. Anyway, folks, we'll see ya.